Wow! This is the most beautiful sight I have ever seen. Today I'm going to be reviewing the WattCycle 51.2 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate rack mount battery. This battery has one of the most beautiful paint job I have ever seen. It has a metal case painted white and blue. Let me open this up and show you what's inside. Inside the battery, they use heavy duty metal. I'm going to take my file and file off part of the bus bar here. I filed off at the corner of the bus bar, and you can see the typical red color of copper. So this is actually copper bus bar, nickel plated on the outside. All of the battery terminals are screwed down with lock washers and also glue, so it's doubly secured. Same here, the BMS. For each of the battery main terminals, we got two battery mounts, and they are connected together on the inside with a bus bar, and same here on the negative side. We have a very large and beefy BMS, and it's also made by WattCycle. The BMS has two heatsink, one on the top, one on the bottom, and there's air gap between the heatsinks to help dissipate the heat. We got 16 prismatic cells. They are laser welded together with aluminum bus bars. We got 4 heat sensors on the top, one here, and they are securely mounted right onto the aluminum bus bar. We got fiberglass separator that separate between the cells. The entire battery pack is securely bolted down. Overall, the build quality inside the battery is very good. Everything is fastened down securely with screws and bolts. All of the wiring is tied down nicely